Let's try Pakistani ketchup. Okay, so we all know regular ketchup is the worst. It's just way too sweet for no reason, and it just needs to be banned along with mint chocolate chip. But a lot of people were saying that the ketchup in Pakistan is way different and much better than the ones we have here in Canada. Okay, already it kind of reminds me of a chutney. So there's a little bit of spice in here, which is already off to a great start. And you might be wondering why I even have regular ketchup. Don't worry, I just bought this for demonstration purposes only. I'm going to return this after the video. So it pours like regular ketchup. It doesn't smell like regular ketchup, but let's see what it tastes like. Oh, that's a kick. Okay, this is way better than ketchup. This has some spice in it. It's not just overly sweet. Hold on. It's a good kick. It's more of a hot sauce than it is a ketchup. I always liked hot sauce over ketchup. This is in that same category. I wouldn't even consider this as a ketchup. So it's like the same consistency as ketchup, but it's spicier. It's more earthy. Yeah, I could honestly put this on everything. Oh, hold on. What are the ingredients? So we have tomato paste, sugar, refined salt, spices, red chilies. There we go. That's it. It's the red chilies. And I'm assuming some good spice combos there too. Let's see what Heinz ketchup has. Tomato paste, liquid sugar, probably a lot of liquid sugar, white vinegar, salt, onion powder, and spices. Ain't no spices in here. This has spice. This has no spice. So if you guys have a Pakistani supermarket near you, make sure you go out there and make the switch from this to this, and you'll have a much happier life.